There are 3 points of connection between the survey instrument and the Rodman. The first point of connection is between the tablet and the instrument, which is a radio connection. The next connection is between the instrument and the prism, which is also a radio connection. The third connection is between the instrument and the prism, but this is an optical connection. Each of these 3 connections are critical and perform different functions. The first connection is a radio connection between the tablet and the instrument. This allows point selection, video sharing, and instrument steering. The radio connection does not allow tracking of the Rodman, locating points, or collecting measurement data. The second connection is a radio connection between the prism and the instrument. This serves to keep the instrument focused on the prism when other reflective items are present. The third and most important connection is the optical connection between the instrument and prism. This connection allows tracking of the Rodman and the location and collection of measurement data. Any object within the line of sight between the prism and the instrument can break the optical connection, but most frequently this break in optical connection is due to standing in the wrong orientation, the person or Rodman actually blocking the signal. It is always important to stand behind the prism, out of the line of sight. On the tablet, when you see a little pinwheel moving in the top left corner of the screen, that means you've lost your optical connection. To get it back, you can do a number of things, including hitting the question mark, but I prefer to hit the camera icon in the middle of left side of the screen. This camera icon will show you what the instrument is currently looking at and will also bring up controls which allows you to steer the instrument back towards the prism. So you can use these controls on the left and right side of the screen to turn the vertical angle of the instrument and also turn the horizontal angle of the instrument so it's focusing on the Rodman. There's a significant delay between what you're seeing on the tablet and the orientation of the instrument. Therefore, when you're turning and steering the instrument, simply look at it with your eyes and line it up with the Rodman. After the instrument is oriented in your general direction, you should see the pinwheel in the top left-hand corner of the screen turn to a solid gray. The solid gray icon in the top left-hand corner indicates that you have successfully re-established the optical connection.